Come on. What's a monkey say? No, that's a lion. Monkey says, oh, 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 oh. Can you say, oh, 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 oh?
Hello.
Good job. What's that? That's a lion. What's that? That's a bird? What's a bird say? No, that's a lion. That's an elephant? What's an elephant say? No, that's a lion. What's that? I don't know what you're doing.
She's trying to wipe her nose.
There you go.
Wants to eat it, you sicko.
No. What's a zebra say? Nay. What's that? It's a snake. What's that? Is that a giraffe? Say giraffe.
Hi.
Emmah.
Go finish your book with Daddy.
Is that a hippo?
Apple.
Hippo. What's that?
Cat.
Crocodile. What's that?
Gun.
Rhino.
No.
Rhino.
No.
Rhino. Good job.
Cow.
Gazelle.
Kid.
What is that?
Kid.
Is that a lion? Rawr.
Pet.
Is that a gorilla? What's a gorilla say? Oh! Good
Like
job.
She does it on her belly, not on her chest.
Is that a tiger?
Cat.
What's a tiger say? Yeah, roar.
Okay.
All done.
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say I love you.
Bye bye.